This is our story today. Dog on a frog, right? Dog and frog. What kind of words are those? Rhyming words. So let's see if we say, ready? Dog, frog. They both say og, right? Because when we're looking for rhyming words, we're looking at the end of the words, right? So dog and frog both end with og, right? So let's see if we can find some more rhyming words in this story. Dog on a frog. Hey, dog, get off the frog. But I like sitting on frogs, said the dog. Frogs are all squishy and squashy. When you sit on them, they go croak. You know the rules, said the cat. Cats sit on mats. Good rhyming, Emiliano. Frogs sit on logs, and dogs sit on frogs, right? Just like I said at the beginning. Well, I'm changing the rules, said the frog. From now on, dogs sit on logs, not frogs. Good rhyming, good rhyming. You guys are listening for those rhyming words. Really? Said the dog. Really, said the frog. Dogs sit on logs, and cats sit on gnats. Anyone know what a gnat is?
Gnat. Yeah, I know.
Emiliano, you know what a gnat is? Do you remember from the last time what I said a gnat was? Remember what it was? Does anybody remember last time we talked about what a gnat is? Sometimes we get them on
kind of insect.
Yes, a kind of insect. We get them on the playground, right? We get those, they're little teeny tiny ones and they bug us.
We get them in the classroom.
We do sometimes get them in the classroom, you're right. What will bears sit on? Asked the dog. Bears will sit on?
Escalator.
Ooh, escalator. Remember, an escalator is one that moves. If it doesn't move, what are they called?
Stairs.
Stairs, right? Bears sit on stairs. So let's see if those rhyme. Ready? Start with bears. Bears, stairs. They both say airs. You got it. Rhyming? Does it rhyme?
Yeah.
That's a good way to check it, right? That's how we check it to see if it rhymes. What will slugs sit on? Asked the dog. Well, slugs will sit on plugs, said the frog. Slugs will sit on plugs, and flies will sit on pies. Good rhyme, detectives. Crickets will sit on tickets, and moths will sit on cloths. What will leopards sit on? Asked the dog. Well, leopards will sit on shepherds, said the frog. Leopards sit on shepherds, and cheetahs sit on fajitas. That's silly, huh? You're really getting the hang of this, said the dog. I know, said the frog, and that's not all. Gnu's will sit on canoes, and pigs will sit on wigs, and boars will sit on oars. You think that one last one rhymes? Boars, oars. Let's try it. Ready? Oars, oars. They both say oars. Did you notice something different about that one? What'd you notice, Ethan? Listen again. Boars, oars. They both say oars.
Mrs. Orr.
Oh, well, Mrs. Orr's Mrs. Orr's our vice principal. But did you notice that or didn't have another letter in front of it? But does it still rhyme with boar?
Yeah.
Because it still says or. That's right, it still says or. What will whales sit on? Asked the dog. Well, whales will sit on nails, said the frog.
Nails?
Oh, I'm not sure the whales will like that, said the dog. They don't have to like it, they just have to do it, said the frog.
Nails?
What will dragons sit on? Asked the dog. Dragons will sit on wagons. Nice rhyme work there, Emiliano. Yes, they'll sit on wagons, said the frog. Dragons sit on wagons, mice sit on ice, kittens sit on mittens, and puppies sit on guppies.
Puppies don't
Silly, huh? Well, what about canaries? What will canaries sit on? Asked the dog. Well, they'll sit on fairies, said the frog. Canaries sit on fairies, possums sit on blossoms, hens will sit on pins, baboons will sit on balloons, and poodles will sit on noodles. Good rhyming, Brooklyn. Let's see, ready? Poodles, noodles. They both say oodles. That's a fun one to say. Yeah, oodles. Oh, yeah, poodles are not going to sit on noodles, said the dog. Well, they are now, the frog said. Oh boy. Hold on, said the cat. If dogs sit on logs and gnats sit on cats and bears sit on stairs and slugs sit on plugs and flies sit on pies and crickets sit on tickets and moths sit on cloths and leopards sit on shepherds and cheetahs sit on fajitas and gnus sit on canoes and pigs sit on wigs and boars sit on oars and whales sit on nails and dragons sit on wagons and mice sit on ice, kittens sit on mittens and puppies sit on guppies, canaries sit on berries, possums sit on blossoms, hens sit on pens, baboons sit on balloons and poodles sit on noodles. What are the frogs going to sit on?
A log.
Ooh, does that rhyme with frog? Log? It does. But guess what? That's where the dogs are sitting, because dog rhymes with log too. And this is what the frog said. These?
No.
No. Does that even rhyme with frog?
No.
Do you think frog cares? No, I don't think he cares either. So you heard all of those rhyming words. Where do we hear them sound the same? At the beginning of the word or the end of the word? Right? Let's try dog and frog one more time. Here we go. Dog, frog, they both say og. Right? So they both say og because that's what they end with. So when we're looking at rhyming words, we're going to look at the end of the words.